Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to draw this, and they sent me their example. I erased it because I was trying to figure out what was going on. And they're using an extrude tool, and that can be a problem from time to time. Let's make a 20-inch ellipse, and then let's make a 7-inch circle. And I'm going to hit P. Then I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to go past the circle just a little bit. And then I'm going to take the circle, I'm going to control D and alternate C and rotate it 120 degrees. So it'll be just off the circles on both ends. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in. Now, I'm going to do it the way he explained he was doing it, or with his example. And what he's doing, and he even went off one of my videos where he turned this gray. But then he takes the extrude tool. And the only reason I know this is because I've been there before. But then what he's doing, he's left clicking, right clicking, and he actually goes and breaks the extrude group apart. And then he's deleting the lines that you shouldn't be able to see. But then when he takes the Smart Fill tool, it leaks. It leaks because the extrude tool has a million, well, some of the lines have a million nodes. Well, you know what? Let's break this apart and look at this. Well, you can't really see. Anyway, it just doesn't work that way, or I've had trouble doing that. So what I do in lieu of that, let me set my nudge factor higher this time, like 20 inches. And I'm going to nudge this over. And I'm not going to left click or right click, but I am going to make it the gray. I think you can just see it better this way. And then get the extrude tool. The only disadvantage is you can't really see the extrude group. But if we go to object and break it apart, we only have two objects now. We got the extrude group and we got our top. And these are grouped together, so I'm going to ungroup them. This one's going to look maybe pretty good. I'm not moving anything, I'm nudging. And let's take this one and let's use the interactive fill tool. And I'm going to do black. You know what? I think I'm just going to do gray and black. See what it looks like. So what I'm doing is I'm making, and don't forget to kind of double click, because if you don't double click on this, it'll stay on your last one that you worked on. So kind of double click, or take it and use the pick tool to pick it. So I'm just trying, and this might not even be the right direction. And you can kind of see that node light up. And I missed the mark. I didn't even get over there. Now, let's bring our extrude group back. It looks pretty good. Let's take it out of the way, but let's group this together, Control G. Pretty important. Now, that looks really good, I think. Let's draw an ellipse. And let's use, you know what? Let's go black. Take away the outline. And go interactive fill tool. And then go elliptical. And kind of put a little shine to the ball. And then nudge it over. And then you've got to go to object, order, back a page. But then you need to take, well, let's do this. Let's move this out of the way. We want to take these and go object, order, front of page. Or you know what, they are on the, we want them on the, on the back of page. There we go. And then move this one back. And look at that. Now maybe my darkness will show up better if I put a black background on it. So I would just, I don't try to, that looks like, Doesn't look very good with the ball. But you can always grab the ball and we could change it to blue and put black in the middle of it. It actually looks like it's off center, but that's just the way I extruded it. So I'm kind of losing my darkness, but you could always select it all, go up to object, group, and ungroup all, and then take that unit right there and get your interactive fill tool back and bring the darkness back down. So you have more darkness. And since you've got them ungrouped all, you could do that right there. Let's go ahead and finish it. And it'll make it look like it's that you cut holes in this. Now I think my circle will look better up there. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.